Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you recently received an email from Google about Gemini and wondered what exactly changed? A lot of Android users were surprised after learning that Gemini can interact with apps such as Messages, WhatsApp, Phone, and other services on their devices. At the same time, many people started asking an important question: what information does Gemini save and can I turn it off? If you're concerned about your privacy and want more control over what Gemini stores about your activity, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you two simple ways to disable Gemini app's activity on your Google account. The first method uses the Gemini app itself, and the second method works through your Google account settings. Let's get started. So the first step, if you have the Gemini app installed on your phone, open it now. You can find it by opening your app drawer and using the search bar. At the top, type Gemini and open the app when it appears. Once you're inside the Gemini app, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Then, at the bottom of the menu, tap on your profile picture to open your account settings. From the menu, select Gemini Apps Activity. Here you'll see whether your Gemini activity is currently being saved. If it says that activity is on, tap Turn Off. Then select Turn Off again to confirm your choice. That's it. Your Gemini activity will no longer be saved moving forward. Now let's look at the second method. This method is useful if you don't have the Gemini app installed, or if you prefer managing everything from your Google account. Open your phone's main settings app, scroll down, and tap on Google. Next, tap on your Gmail profile picture, and then select Google account to open your account settings. Once your Google account page opens, tap on the search icon and search for Gemini Apps Activity. From the results, tap Manage and delete your Gemini Apps Activity. Scroll down until you find the section called Find Your Gemini Apps Activity. Then tap the blue button labeled Go to Gemini Apps Activity. You'll now see the same Gemini Apps Activity page. To disable it, tap Turn Off. Confirm by tapping Turn Off again. And that's it. Gemini activity saving has now been disabled on your account. If privacy is important to you, it's a good idea to review these settings and decide what works best for your needs. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.